Hey everyone, Technomentary here. Now this is a quick fix if your iPhone screen is black after upgrading to iOS 18. You want to follow these steps to fix it. So let's get started. So what you're going to do is quickly press and release the volume up, followed by quickly press and release the volume down. And then you're going to hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So it's going to be volume up, volume down. You're going to hold on to the side button just like that. And you're going to keep on holding it until you can get the Apple logo to appear on the screen. So as you can see here, it's going to be black like this most likely, and then you're going to wait for the Apple logo to appear, and then you let go of it. This is known as a forced restart, which basically reloads the code and tries to turn the phone back on. This method will not delete any of your data. So all of your data like photos, videos, apps will be safe. Now, if it doesn't work the very first time, just keep on trying it. Sometimes it takes multiple tries to get the hang of it. And while you're doing it, also connect your phone to a charger. So again, all you're going to do is quickly in this sequence, press and release the volume up, volume down, and then just hold on to the side button. Now, it does sound silly, but this does actually work. So keep on trying it. It'll take a few tries, sometimes multiple tries, before it finally turns back on, just like I am doing right now. Again, this is going to be Apple's go-to solution. It happens when you do a major upgrade. Sometimes the software just needs to reload. So again, just quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, quickly, one after another, and then just hold on to the side button. Just keep on holding until you get that Apple logo, and then let go. And once you do that, you should be able to get back into your phone, and everything should work the way it's meant to. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.